the ultimate Bloody Mary experience here. What we have is a Bloody Mary with garlic 4 ways. It's a collaboration with Isle of Wight Distillery, a tomato stall in the garlic farm. So we have vodka, the best vodka money can buy. Nice and cold, shot of that. Topped out with black garlic vodka, heat aged, sweet. Splash of that. The tomato stalls, spiced tomato juice, bit of celery salt. There's garlic in this. There's also garlic in this, with a bit of chilli. But the absolute firecracker is the Vampire Slayer, which is 6 million on the Scoville scale of 6 million in chili heat. Nice big splash of that. Very exciting. Slightly dangerous. Check for colour, a bit more of the tomato magic. Celery and boom. Cool. Who wants that then? Sir?